Hey friends, the laptop lid open action is an option in Power Options in Windows, but a few users say that it's missing. Now all you need to do is that I have a command for you. Copy it, search for command prompt, click on run as administrator, paste it, hit enter, and this problem will be solved. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and type the command power cfg.cpl, hit enter. Okay, there's something which says choose what closing the lid does. You'll find all the laptop lid options here. When I close the lid and all, you'll find this option here directly. Maybe you might not be finding it earlier, and nonetheless you always have it in settings. Nowadays I don't even use the power options window. I just access all of these settings from the settings panel itself. That's how easy it is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.